Today, designers usually work on their own local computer. Meeting areas are equipped with individual presentation PCs. These are high-performance, powerful computers that take up space, generate heat, and create noise. They're expensive pieces of equipment running high-value software. To review their work, designers often have to move material between computers, which is inconvenient and inefficient. It can result in multiple uncontrolled copies of content. And it keeps happening every time content is reviewed or accessed in a different location. But there's a better way. A KVM matrix switch allows design computers to be accessed remotely, like magic, as though they were alongside the user. So any computer can be reached from any meeting area, and can even be shared between several rooms at once, instantaneously. Computers can also be moved to a safe and secure area and shared between users, increasing data security and bringing significant savings in hardware and software costs. With a KVM matrix switch, hardware and software resources can be accessed with total flexibility from anywhere at any time. And the best thing of all, it just works with any resolution display and every type of display, including 5K, 8K video walls and VR goggles, delivering a range of benefits: improved workflow, greater convenience, better collaboration, more efficient use of resources, heightened data security, significant cost savings,